If you've been wanting to trade crypto on Bitunix but don't know where to start, this tutorial will take you from complete beginner to confidently placing your first trades. I'll walk you through everything: account setup, deposits, the different trading interfaces, and step-by-step instructions for executing your first trade. The Bitunix platform looks complicated at first, but once you understand the basics and the different account types, it's actually one of the easiest and user-friendly exchanges to use. Most tutorials either skip important steps and features or assume you already know things that new traders really don't. That's not going to happen here. And with my exclusive link in the description, you unlock massive welcome rewards. New users can earn up to 20 USDT just for depositing 100 USDT or more. That's literally free money. On top of that, you have a chance to win a Tesla, Rolex watch, iPhones, and other insane physical prizes. I'll show you exactly how to claim all of this. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Bitunix and how to maximize every single bonus available. Now here's why Bitunix is one of my top choices for exchanges. Bitunix is a trusted and rapidly growing exchange in the crypto industry, designed for both beginners and professional traders. Bitunix offers fast and simple registration, where you can start trading in minutes, even without KYC for basic features. This is huge for people who want to get started immediately. Bitunix has deep liquidity. This means your orders fill at the price you see and with a low bid-ask spread, even with leverage. No slippage eating into your profits. They offer a wide range of coins, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to hundreds of altcoins. Bitunix is known for listing new tokens faster than most exchanges, which means you can get into projects early. Multiple trading options, spot trading, futures with up to 200 times leverage, and even advanced trading tools for experienced traders. Bitunix is also known as a generous platform that gives huge bonus opportunities. Bitunix combines ease of use, security, diversity, and massive rewards, making it perfect for both beginners and advanced traders. Now that you know why I like the platform, let's get started. First, click the link in the description. Using this link is crucial to unlock all the exclusive bonuses I just mentioned. You can sign up with your email or phone number, or continue with Google, Apple, and even Facebook and X account. For this tutorial, I'll use Gmail. Right after signing up, your account is live and you can start depositing funds immediately. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main dashboard. At the top right, click on the wallet icon. You'll see different options and account types. Bitunix uses different account types to help you organize your trading. Here's what each one means. Spot account. This is where your deposits land first. Here you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies at market prices without leverage. It's ideal for holding assets or simple trading. Futures account. This is for leverage trading, allowing you to take larger positions than your balance allows. This is where you'll use your bonuses and earn rewards based on your trading volume. You can trade with USDT as margin, and this unlocks all the bonus rewards we talked about earlier. Next, you can see Earn account. This lets you stake your coins and earn passive rewards over time. Here you can see the APRs for each coin in types of staking like fixed and flexible. And then there's Copy Trading account. This option lets you automatically mirror experienced traders without needing to analyze every trade yourself. To move funds between accounts, you simply go to your wallet, click Transfer, and move USDT from spot to futures. I'll show you exactly how to do this in just a bit. On the navigation bar, you can also see different sections like Markets for market overview and opportunities, Promotions for airdrop announcements and campaigns, and here you can also see the Task Center for your rewards. You can also see here the Partners section for the affiliate program, and when you click on More, this is where you can see learning materials, blog, community, and everything about the Bitunix platform. Everything is organized clearly so you can find what you need fast. Now that you know the basics, let's get some money into your account and start claiming bonuses. Go to the wallet icon at the top menu, then click Deposit. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies you can deposit. For this tutorial, I recommend choosing USDT because it's the main trading pair for futures on Bitunix. Next, select your network. I recommend using the TRC20 Tron network because it has very low fees and fast confirmation times. Once you select USDT and TRC20, Bitunix will generate your personal deposit address. Copy it carefully. Make sure you copy the entire address. Then go to your current exchange or wallet. paste the address, and send your crypto. It usually takes 5 to 15 minutes to arrive. Pro tip, always send a small test amount first, maybe $10 to $20, and double check that the network matches on both sides. This prevents you from losing funds due to a wrong network. Now here's where one of the main bonuses starts to kick in. If you deposit at least 100 USDT, you can earn rewards worth up to 20 USDT. This is literally free money just for depositing, so definitely don't sleep on this. If you don't have crypto yet, you can buy directly on Bitunix using your local currency. Go to Buy Crypto in the top menu. You'll see 5 options: one-click buy, fiat deposit, credit or debit card, P2P trading, third party. With one-click buy, you can buy USDT instantly using Visa, MasterCard, or other payment methods. Just choose your currency and select USDT on the receive side and choose a payment method. Here you can choose between fiat deposit via SEPA, credit or debit card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and more. With fiat deposit, the process is almost the same. Enter the amount and choose a deposit method. Bitunix does not charge fees, but your bank may apply transfer charges. If you're using debit or credit card, you can select your currency, select the crypto you want to receive, and pay via card whether you have Visa or MasterCard. You can also see the latest price of 1 USDT to your preferred currency. If you don't have a bank or a credit debit card to buy crypto, you can choose P2P trading, and here you can buy USDT directly from other users. You select a seller, follow their payment instructions, and the USDT gets released to your spot wallet. The last option is purchasing crypto via third party. This is the same process as one-click buy and is supported with over 30 fiat currencies. For most people, buying with a card is the fastest option. If you deposited Bitcoin or another crypto but need USDT for trading, here's how to convert it. Go to spot trading from the main menu and click on spot. Search for your trading pair, for example BTC/USDT. Select market order, choose sell, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to convert, and click sell BTC. This instantly converts your Bitcoin to USDT, which then appears in your spot wallet. You can also choose to convert instantly. To do this, go to Spot and look for the Convert option. Bitunix's Convert feature has 0 fees and gives you instant conversion at market rates. After that, your funds will appear in your Spot wallet, ready to transfer to your futures account so you can start leverage trading. Now, before you can trade futures, you need to move your USDT from your Spot account to your futures account. Go to Wallet and click on Spot account. After that, on the upper right corner, click Transfer. Select USDT as the currency, choose from Spot Futures, enter the amount you want to trade with, and click Submit. This step is important because if your USDT stays in the Spot wallet, you won't be able to open futures positions. Once the transfer is complete, you'll see your USDT balance in your futures account, and you're ready to start trading. Now let's move on to what you're waiting for, futures trading. Go to Futures in the main navigation, then click USDTM Futures. You can also choose USDCM if you prefer USDC instead of USDT, but for beginners, I recommend using USDT-M because it's the most common and has the highest liquidity. You can also see another option here called Coin-M. This lets you do derivatives trading settled in crypto, also known as inverse trading. After clicking USDTM Futures, it will bring you to the Futures Trading Dashboard. This is where you'll be doing most of your trading. I'll break down every section so it makes perfect sense. Here's what you'll see on the trading screen, Trading Pair Selection. At the top left, this is where you choose which crypto to trade, like BTC/USDT, ETH/USDT, or any other altcoin. Bitunix has hundreds of pairs available. You can see the price chart on the right side. It shows the historical price movement, and you can change the time frame however you like. Bitunix uses TradingView charts, which are industry standard and very powerful for technical analysis. You can see the order book on the middle left. Red numbers are sell orders and green numbers are buy orders. This shows real-time market depth so you can see where the liquidity is. Order placement panel. On the far left, this is where you'll place your trades, set leverage, and enter your position size. This is the control center for opening and closing trades. Positions panel. At the bottom, it shows your active trades, your open orders, order history, and position history, and more. This is where you monitor everything once your trade is live. Everything you need is right here on one screen, ready to trade. Before placing any trade, you need to configure two important settings. First, choose your margin mode. Bitunix offers two options. First is isolated margin. This protects the rest of your account. If the trade goes wrong, you only lose what you put into that specific position. The rest of your balance is safe. Second one is cross margin. All positions share the same margin balance. If one trade gets liquidated, it can affect your entire account. This is riskier. For beginners, always use isolated margin to protect your account. Second, set your leverage. Bitunix allows up to 200 times leverage on certain pairs, but do not use high leverage as a beginner. Stick to 5 times to 10 times maximum. Here's how it works. If you have a $10 balance with 5 times leverage, you get $50 in position buying power. This means you're controlling $50 worth of Bitcoin with only $10 of your own money. Higher leverage means higher risk. Your liquidation price gets closer to your entry, so one wrong move can wipe out your position. For this example, I'm using 5 times leverage on isolated margin. Okay, now let's place a long trade, betting Bitcoin will go up. Choose market order so it executes instantly at the current market price. You'll see order entry options, amount value. This is a contract quantity denominated in BTC. Cost value, this is the opening cost and it doesn't change with the leverage. Nominal values, this is the market value of the underlying asset, where the opening cost changes with leverage. For this tutorial, I'll be using a nominal value because it adjusts with your leverage, making it easier to control your position size. Set your position size, for example, a $50 position. With 5 times leverage, that's $10 of your own capital. Now, always set stop loss and take profit. This is non-negotiable. Click TP/SL to open the settings. Set your stop loss at a price where you'd lose $2 and your take profit at a price where you'd gain $6. A 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. Once everything is set, click Open Long. Your trade is now live. You'll see it in the Positions panel. Your entry price, current profit and loss, and liquidation price. To short the market, just choose Open Short instead of Long. Same process, but you're betting the price will go down. And remember, your futures trading volume helps unlock bonuses like 20 USDT for hitting 10,000 USDT in trading volume. Mystery boxes worth up to 20,000 USDT for the 24-week check-in challenge. Chances to win a Tesla, Rolex, iPhones, and more. So definitely don't miss it. As your trade moves in your favor, you can adjust your stop loss to secure profits. Once you're up a few dollars, move your stop loss to break even so you can't lose money on the trade. You can also increase or reduce your position while it's active using the Adjust Margin buttons in the Positions panel. To close your trade, you have a few options. Let your TP or SL close it automatically when the price hits your target. Close manually with the Close button. Close a percentage of the position if you want to take partial profits. Adjust TP/SL directly on the chart by dragging the lines. Pro tip, don't get greedy. If you hit your take profit target, close the trade. The market will always give you another opportunity. Before we wrap up, here are essential rules for trading on Bitunix. First rule, start with small position sizes. Don't risk more than 2 to 5% of your account per trade. This keeps your capital intact even if you have a few losing trades in a row. Second rule is to always use stop losses. This is non-negotiable. Every single trade needs a stop loss before you enter. This protects you from massive losses. Third is to keep a trading journal. Write down every single trade you take, entry price, exit price, why you took it, what you learned. This is how you improve over time. Fourth is never chase pumps. If you missed a move, wait for the next setup. FOMO is the fastest way to lose money in crypto. And lastly, never risk more than you can afford to lose. Trading can give you financial freedom, but it can also be risky if you don't manage your risk properly. Trading is a skill that takes time, repetition, and discipline. But if you follow these rules, you'll be way ahead of most beginners. All right, so that's the full breakdown of how to trade futures on Bitunix. From signing up to depositing to opening and managing your first trade. Before you go, remember, use my link in the description to claim all the bonuses I mentioned earlier. Start small, focus on learning, and don't chase profits at first. Master the basics, build your skills, and the profits will come. I'll also be uploading more Bitunix tutorials. So subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.